Now, hello student, good morning. Today I am going to teach the class 7th math. Class 7th maths. After the first video, I am going to teach you. That video you are study about the integers. Now I am going to teach multiplication of integer. Multiplication of integers. What is the multiplication? You have studied in the previous class. Multiplication is the repeated addition. The multiplication is a repeated multiplication is a repeated addition. A repeated addition. For example, suppose there are given 5 into 2 is equal to 5 plus 5, or 2 add 5 times, or that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. The answer coming same, that is also 10, and this is also 10. So we can say that multiplication is the repeated addition. And how can see one more example for the negative? 5 into minus 4. It means 5 minus 5 add 4 times, minus 5 add 4 times, or minus 4 add 5 times. That is the same. So we can say that multiplication is the repeated addition. We can show this on the number line also. See, this is the number line. First, in middle write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you are going to represent 5 into 2, then you take 5 division 2 times. This is the 5, and then 5, result coming 10. Or you take 2 division 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This way we can represent multiplication on the number line also. Now see what? When you multiply the integer, then if you know what is the integer? Integers are that which having the positive and negative whole number. So if you multiply negative and positive together, what is the sign of the product? So see first, when sign of the product, sign of product, if you multiply negative into positive, if you multiply negative with the positive, what is the sign? That sign is negative. Its sign is negative, or this sign is negative. Similarly, if you multiply negative sign with the positive sign, negative sign with the, suppose positive sign with the negative sign, result sign is also negative. If you multiply negative sign with negative, then product sign is positive. If you multiply positive sign with positive sign, then sign of product is positive. What you get from here? If you multiply same sign, then result is, sign of result is positive. If you multiply different sign, one negative, one positive, then sign of the product is negative. It means in general we can say that if sign is positive, then all sign are positive, then sign of product is also positive. But if there is the even number of negative sign, then sign of product is positive. If there is odd number of negative sign, then sign of product is negative. So in general we can write that, or in the product, if in the product sign of negative or you can say only if negative integer in the product, negative integer are even time in the product, negative integers are even times, then sign of product is positive. It means if example, if 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 time coming, then sign of product is plus, or no need to write plus, here is 8. If suppose 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 4 times, that is also even, then 1 coming. If there is negative integer or odd time, then you can say second case, in the product, negative integers are odd times, then sign of product is negative. If you consider these things in your mind, then you can multiply any multiplication if that is the multiplication of integer. Now there are some property of multiplication of integer. So I teach you some properties of multiplication of integer. First property is closure property. Closure property. Property of multiplication See watch. If you multiply, this property state that if you multiply two integer and product is also integer, then this property is called closure property. For example, see here. If the product of two integers is also an integer, then this property is called closure property of multiplication for integer, called closure property of multiplication for integers. See, for example, or in general we can say that A into B is equal to C, where A, B and C are integers. This property is called closure property. For example, if 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2, 2 is integer, 1 is integer and minus 2 is also integer. This property is called closure property. Now second property. First property is closure property. Second property is commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property of multiplication. in this multiplication, closure property states that if you multiply two integers, their product will remain same after interchange the digits or the integers. So the product of two integers, the product of two integers remain the same if their position are interchanged. If their position are interchanged. It means in general we can say A into B is equal to same as B into A. It means first multiply A and B is equal to when you multiply B into A. For example, 2 into minus 3 is same as minus 3 into 2 is equal to minus 6. This property is called closure property of multiplication for the integers. Now third property we will see, associative property of multiplication. Third, associative property of multiplication. This property states that the product of two or more integers remain the same in respective of the order in which they are multiplied. So see here, the product of two or more integers the same irrespective of the order in which they are multiplied. They are multiplied. It means if you multiply three integers, suppose A, B and C, then first we multiply A and B and then C, that is equal to, if you multiply A and then if you multiply B and C then A, that product is same. It means first you multiply first two and then third, or you multiply last two and then first, the result is remain same. See example, 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 2 into 3 in common bracket into 4 common bracket close. It means you multiply first two, that is 6, and then multiply third is equal to, if you multiply last two and then you multiply first, that is 24 only. This property is called associative property of multiplication of integer. Now fourth property, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. What is the multiplicative identity? The number which multiply with any numbers, the result is same as the first number is called multiplicative identity. First, see example, if 3 into any number is equal to coming 3 same as a number, that number is called multiplicative identity. So 1 is multiplicative identity. The product of any number with 1 is itself that number. The product of any number or integers, any integer, product of any integer with 1 is the integer itself. Example, 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. In general, we can say a into 1 is equal to a, where a is any integer. This is called multiplicative identity. Now, fifth property, multiplication with 0. Zero property of multiplication or multiplication with 0. 0 property, 0 property of multiplication. 0 property of multiplication. We know that the product of any integer with 0 is always 0. The product of any integer with 0 is equal to 0. So 5 into 0 is equal to 0. 6 into 0 is equal to 0. In general, a into 0 is equal to also 0. If any integer multiply with 0, their product is always coming 0. Now, there are distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. It means when you multiply a number with the sum of two numbers, then that is equal to the product of first number with the product of that with the product of sum of two number equal to the sum of the product of first number with the given two numbers. see sixth property, distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication. Distributive property of multiplication is that product of an integer with the sum of two other integer is equal to the sum of the product of first integer with the other two integers. And other property, this is called distributive property of addition, distributive property of multiplication over addition, and one more property of distribution property of multiplication over subtraction. That is state that a number multiplied with the difference of two numbers is equal to the difference of the product of first number with that two numbers. That I written here. First, a part of this property, this distributive property of multiplication over addition. The product of an integer with sum of two integers equal to the product of the first number with the other two numbers. Product of first number with other two numbers. For example, suppose here 2 into 3 plus 4. It means a integer or a number multiplied by sum of two numbers. This is equal to product of first number with 3, first number of the brackets, plus first number multiply the second number of the bracket. The sum of these products is equal to the product of a number with the sum of two numbers. In general, we can say that a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. This property is called distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. similar over addition. Now B property, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. C. What is that? The product of a number with the difference of two numbers. The product of an integer with the difference of two integer is equal to the product of first number with the other two numbers, difference of other two numbers. Here the product of an integer with the difference of two integer is equal to product of first number, product of that is equal to product of first number with